Go in My Priva to Installation and Maintenance. Pick the site you want the Edge Gateway be connected to. This site has no Edge Gateway yet, so the button to add an Edge Gateway is enabled. Enter the serial number and security code, which you can find on the Edge Gateway. Check to see if the right site is selected and click Next. The gateway is now added to the site and needs to be configured. The gateway is being set up. This can take some time, depending on your internet connection. You can refresh to see new information. Wait until the installation is done, before doing anything. The Edge Gateway is now fully operational and all the modules are visible under Version Information. The most secure and separate connection is LAN 1 for the Internet and LAN 2 for the project connection. In this configuration, one LAN connection with its own Internet security has been chosen, in which case LAN 2 should always be used. For LAN 1, the Internet connection is configured with DHCP server by default. The obtained IP address is then already filled in and is not editable. You can edit LAN 2. If a DHCP server is in place, this is already filled out. Then you need to configure the project. Enter the IP address of the primary controller in case of Blue ID, and fill in your login details of the top control project. Go to Settings to edit the time zone and time server if necessary. With a new Edge Gateway, this might not yet be filled in. You can also enable automatic module updates. By default, it is off, but Priva advises to turn it on. This way, your Edge Gateway will always be up to date. You can choose a specific hour for the execution of updates. When you go to the Devices tab, you see the Edge Gateway. The button to add a new one is disabled. If you open the gateway again, you can also reboot the gateway in case of possible problems and remove the device, if you want to replace it. If something is wrong with the gateway, you can download the log files, so you or Priva can investigate further. To see an overview of all the devices of all the sites within your organization, you can go to All Sites. From the overview, you can navigate to every gateway within your organization.